Current time is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
The Georgetown, Delaware climate summary for yesterday, January 12th, 2013. Yesterday's high temperature was 59 degrees. The normal high is 43. The record high is 70 degrees, which was set in 1975. Yesterday's low temperature was 42. The normal low is 27. The record low is -2 degrees, which was set in 1988. The mean temperature was 51 degrees. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.10 inches. This is 1.04 inches below the normal amount of 1.14 inches for January. The total precipitation for the season still stands at 3.09 inches, which is 1.34 inches below normal. The total precipitation for the year is still 0.10 inches, which is 1.04 inches below normal. There were 14 heating degree days yesterday, and there were no cooling degree days yesterday. The normal high temperature for today is 43 degrees, and the normal low is 27. The record high for today is 73, which occurred in 2005, and the record low is 0, which occurred in 1981. Sunrise today is at 7:19 a.m. and sunset is at 5:02 p.m. This is NOAA Weather Radio.